Messermeister Gather Kitchen. We have a cocktail for you that will make you start slurring your words and you'll end up between the sheets or in the sheets or in the shits. One of those two. Happy Friday. This one is for all of us. Hell yes. 1 ounce of cognac. Whoa. White rum. There's no such thing as a good white rum, but this looks pretty damn good. 1 ounce of Pirates. Cognac. Contra, you name it, 1 ounce. Holy shit. This is all alcohol. 3/4 lemon. This is seriously the jam. The best juicer. Oh, how's your Friday? Great. Started out with a cocktail. All right, too cold to hold. I'm not going to lie, I'm slightly scared.
Not living if you're not scared.
You're not living it. Oh, wow. Lemon zest. Okay. On the rim. All right. There you go. The drink of all drinks. Between the sheets. I really want to say shits. Between the shits or in the shits. Oh, you'll be in the shits after you drink this. Oh my goodness. It's delicious. You can't taste any of the alcohol. Or maybe I'm just becoming immune to it. I don't know. This is really good. I'll see you next time. Enjoy!